Welcome to the top picks. The best car food is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for any vehicle owner, especially for those who frequently travel long distances, live in areas prone to severe weather, or simply want to be prepared for unexpected situations. Imagine being stranded on the side of the road, miles from the nearest town, with no access to sustenance. A well-stocked emergency food supply can turn a potentially dangerous situation into a manageable inconvenience, providing crucial energy and morale until help arrives. This isn't just about surviving. It's about ensuring peace of mind and safety for yourself and your loved ones during unforeseen circumstances, making it a vital addition to your vehicle's emergency kit. Number 5. Membrane Solutions S.O.S Personal Water Filter Straw. This survival-grade filter meets strict NSF/ANSI standards, instantly removing 99.9999% of harmful bacteria. It's designed for extreme reliability during your outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness. Breathe easy with every sip. Our filter is independently certified for chlorine reduction, lead-free materials, and removal of microplastics and particulates, ensuring the best-tasting water. This compact filter fits any standard bottle and weighs just 2 ounces. It provides up to 1,320 gallons of drinking water, ensuring you can conveniently drink water wherever you go. Our advanced system includes multiple layers of filtration, including activated carbon and ultrafiltration membranes. It's designed for effective purification while retaining essential minerals. With a 0.1 micron pore size, this filter offers enhanced precision. It delivers a balanced flow rate, making it suitable for outdoor, travel, and emergency use. Made from durable, EPA-free materials, this filter is designed for everyday and outdoor use. Its compact size and compatibility with various containers make it incredibly portable and versatile. What we like. This filter straw offers unparalleled water purification with multiple NSF certifications. It can filter an incredible 1,320 gallons of water, ensuring long-term reliability. If you are an avid hiker, international traveler, or someone who prioritizes scientifically validated safety, this is the choice for you. What people say. The food bars are individually wrapped, which is great for hygiene and portion control. Each bar provides 200 calories and has a shelf life of 5 years, ensuring long-term readiness. The bars are surprisingly palatable, with a slightly sweet, non-greasy texture that's easy to chew. Number 4. ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply 120 Servings Fruit Bucket. Be prepared for any situation with our emergency food supply. It offers a generous 120 servings of nutritious meals, perfect for any emergency. Enjoy a variety of delicious and nutritious meals, carefully dehydrated and freeze-dried for optimal taste and quality. They are designed to provide essential sustenance when you need it most. Whether you're backpacking, camping, or simply stocking up for disaster preparedness, this supply is your ideal companion. It's lightweight and easy to transport. Rest assured with an impressive shelf life of up to 25 years. This ensures you have reliable food security for decades to come. Preparing your meals is simple and quick, requiring minimal effort. You can have a wholesome meal ready in minutes, even in challenging conditions. Gain peace of mind knowing you have a dependable food source for emergencies. This supply is a smart investment in your safety and well-being. What we like. This option provides a substantial 120 servings of nutritious, freeze-dried meals with an exceptional 25-year shelf life. It's perfect for long-term emergency preparedness and for those who want a wide variety of meal options. If you are looking to build a comprehensive emergency food supply for your family or want peace of mind for decades, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The food bars are individually wrapped for freshness and easy to portion out. Each bar contains 200 calories, providing a good source of energy during an emergency. The bars have a pleasant taste and texture, making them palatable even in stressful situations. Number 3. Augason Farm 72-Hour One-Person Emergency Food Kit. Emergencies can strike without warning. Having a reliable food supply is crucial for your peace of mind. This kit provides essential nutrition for one person for 3 days. It's designed to keep you sustained when you need it most. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it's easy to store or transport. You can keep it in your home, car, or take it on the go. Preparing your meals is straightforward and requires minimal effort. Just add water and enjoy a nourishing meal. This food is carefully packaged to ensure a long shelf life. You can trust it will be ready when you need it. Invest in your safety and well-being. This emergency food kit offers a simple yet effective way to prepare for the unexpected. What we like. This compact bucket offers a 72-hour food supply specifically designed for one person. It's a convenient and space-saving solution for immediate emergencies. If you are a solo individual, a student, or someone who needs a quick and easy emergency food starter kit, this product is ideal for you. What people say. The food bars are individually wrapped for freshness and easy to store. Each bar provides 200 calories, offering a good source of energy in an emergency. The bars have a pleasant lemon flavor and a texture that is not too dry or crumbly. Number 2. Life Gear LG 329 3-Day Emergency Survival Kit. Be prepared for any situation with this comprehensive 3-day survival kit. It's designed to provide essential sustenance and warmth for one person. Stay hydrated with a 3-day supply of U.S. Coast Guard approved water. It boasts an impressive 5-year shelf life, ensuring it's ready when you need it. This kit also includes a 3-day supply of U.S. Coast Guard approved food. Like the water, it has a 5-year shelf life for long-term reliability. Included is a thermal blanket designed to capture 80% of your body heat. This is crucial for maintaining warmth in challenging environments. Its compact design makes it instantly portable, perfect for your home, office, car, or outdoor adventures. It's an ideal safety addition anywhere. You can use this as a standalone starter emergency kit or integrate it with your existing supplies. It's a smart way to boost your preparedness. What we like. This kit is U.S. Coast Guard approved for a 3-day supply of both food and water, and it includes a thermal blanket for warmth. Its portability makes it perfect for various locations. If you need a ready-to-go emergency kit for your car, office, or a short outdoor excursion, this all-in-one solution is highly recommended. What people say. The food is non-perishable and has a long shelf life, making it a reliable option for emergencies. Each package contains a balanced mix of nutrients and calories, ensuring adequate energy intake during a crisis. The compact and lightweight design of the food packages makes them easy to store in a vehicle without taking up much space. Number 1. S.O.S Rations 3600 Calorie Food Bar. When disaster strikes, having a reliable emergency food supply is crucial. Our product offers a high-calorie solution to keep you sustained. Each packet provides an impressive 3,600 calories, ensuring you have the energy needed to get through difficult times. This is designed to sustain life until rescue or additional food is available. Approved by the U.S. Coast Guard, it boasts a 5-year shelf life. You can trust it to remain viable under all climatic conditions. These bars are fortified to provide essential nutrients. They come in convenient cinnamon and coconut flavors for a palatable experience. Proudly made in the United States, this emergency food bar is a dependable choice for your preparedness needs. What we like. These fortified food bars provide 3,600 calories and boast a 5-year shelf life under all climatic conditions. They are designed for survival until rescue or further provisions arrive. If you are looking for a highly durable, compact, and calorie-dense food source for extreme emergency situations or survival scenarios, these bars are a reliable choice. What people say. The food bars are individually wrapped for freshness and easy to store. Each bar provides 200 calories, offering a good source of energy during emergencies. The bars have a pleasant taste and are easy to chew, even in cold weather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.